Expressway was constructed at a cost of 12,000 crore rupees over 4 years. It was inaugurated just 79 days ago by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and now, after just one night of rain, this is the state of one section of this economic corridor. This is the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway that cut travel time between the two cities from around 6 hours to just 2.5 hours. Now, let me tell you what has happened and how the government has actually blamed people for this. So, a part of this expressway caved in UP's Jalalpur after heavy rainfall, creating these big sinkholes. The speed limit on this expressway is 100 kilometers per hour, so you can imagine how these potholes became a risk for speeding vehicles on the route. Locals even reported that they saw several vehicles meeting with accidents and suffering damage because of this. Some locals were even seen manually diverting traffic to prevent more vehicles from getting into accidents. The National Highways Authority of India has actually blamed people. They first accepted that this road did cave in due to rainfall and the lack of a proper drainage system. But then they added that a drainage pipe under this road or a culvert could not be connected and commissioned in this part because locals resisted it. The NHAI added that locals did not permit the integration of the drainage system and they have been using this drainage opening as a vehicular crossing. It's because of this that the cross drainage arrangement has remained non-operational, leading to this water accumulation. That's not it. The NHAI also said that some other drainage work at this spot has also been pending due to a land dispute. Some landowners have simply not let the NHAI complete their work. This is why the protection measures for this site were just not completed. Now, some questions here. If this crucial drainage and protection work at this site was never completed, then why was this route opened up for vehicles? Didn't the NHAI know that such water stagnation was bound to happen without the completion of this work? Didn't the NHAI know that this road that they're opening up could become a risk for vehicles in the monsoon? Thankfully, no casualties were reported here, but if lives had been lost, who would have taken responsibility? Now, after this video went viral, the NHAI said that we repaired the damaged portion on priority and we ensured safe movement of traffic. But why did it take some locals to raise this alarm for the NHAI to fix this? Shouldn't this fix or a precaution have come sooner, especially in a country where almost 10,000 people die because of potholes every 5 years?